Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a reset now. First, make sure the earbuds and case have power. Charge until at least 20% so the reset completes. Once done, go to your device's Bluetooth list and forget the JBL entry so old profiles won't reconnect. Now locate the pairing or reset button on the case or one earbud. You'll use it next to clear stored pairings. This avoids conflicts and ensures a clean factory-like restart before forcing the reset procedure. Open the case and position both earbuds correctly. Make sure the charging contacts meet. You press and hold the reset or pairing button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Count steadily, because that long press clears internal memory and resets the Bluetooth module. During this hold, watch the LED. A pattern change, blinking sequence, or color swap indicates the unit entered factory or pairing mode. Once the light confirms it, the earbuds have forgotten old devices and are ready to pair anew. After the reset, leave the lid open and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Select the JBL device from the list to pair. If pairing fails immediately, make sure the earbuds actually entered pairing mode. Repeat the press and hold sequence, then restart your phone and try again, because cached Bluetooth errors often block a fresh connection. If problems persist, update firmware through the JBL app or try a full charge cycle. Otherwise, contact support. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.